my channel. I want to make a live withdrawal of BitTorrent from a particular website, and you can see the BitTorrent I received last. I received it on the 17th of November last, and this is on the 13th of January. This is the BitTorrent I received last, guys. Sorry about that. I received this BitTorrent, so the next one that went down should be on the 13th of January. You see something like on the 13th of January from the website. So I've already placed the order on the website, so I'll be expecting the BitTorrent. But let me take you over to the website and show you the proof that I made the withdrawal. So this is my YouTube channel, guys. If you have not subscribed to this YouTube channel, please kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time of coming to the channel, Crypto Investment Splash, we deal with free cryptocurrency that we can store in our wallet, and when the price increases, we will be in massive profit. Hope you understand what I'm trying to say. So without wasting much of our time, let me take you over to the website. As you can see, this is the website, guys. You can see my withdrawal. Sorry, if I click on withdraw, I've just made a withdrawal, guys, bit of BitTorrent. Hope you understand what I'm trying to say. So let me click on this. Sorry guys. Sorry. So let me pause this bit. Sorry guys, sorry for that. Let me click on the withdrawal history. You can see that I just placed a withdrawal of BitTorrent direct, and it is pending 3 minutes ago. I just placed a withdrawal, as you can see on my screen. Hope you understand what I'm trying to say. Withdrawal of 273 BTT BitTorrent direct to my what they call it, to my Trust wallet account. Hope you understand what I'm trying to say. So I've made some withdrawal from this website. Hope you can see what I'm trying to say and see some websites. I'm supposed to make the live withdrawal at your live here, but I made a mistake, guys. I made a mistake. So guys, so you can see the proof that I have made the withdrawal. So let us wait, let the withdrawal arrive on my Trust wallet, and I will show you. Sorry, I'll show you that this website is not lying, guys. So let me show you the proof that the withdrawal has arrived. Hope you understand what I'm trying to say. So let us have patience, but before that, let us see how you can earn on this website. I'll click on earn coins. When you click on these 3 buttons over here, you click on earn coins. So you have different kind of things to do. You can do short walls, PTC ads, tasks, and referrals. Hope you understand what I'm trying to say. So these are the things you can do on this website. So let us wait. Let me pause the video. Let me go back to my Trust wallet. Sorry, and see whether the BitTorrent has arrived. So it has not arrived, yet, guys. So let us wait for it to arrive. So let me pause the video so that when the BitTorrent arrives, you will see it by yourself. It's just easy on the website. Just do some PTC ads, click some ads, view some ads, and then some BitTorrent. Thank you. God bless you. Let me pause the video so I will continue when the BitTorrent arrives. Hello guys, finally the BitTorrent that I made the withdrawal has arrived at last. Hope you understand what I'm trying to say. So can you see the BitTorrent just arrived today? Can you see here? They said today the BitTorrent just arrived today. So I have a sum of 400,000 BitTorrent on my Trust wallet. Hope you understand what I'm trying to say. So the website, I'll put the link in the description below in the website. I just what I normally do on the website is just to look at some ads every day, so it will keep value on the very simple, guys. It was what you can do. I've made the withdrawal already. I've just shown you the withdrawal. So let me show you the proof again on the website. Let me pause this video and take you to the website. Sorry guys, let me pause this video and take you to the website. Hope you understand what I'm trying to say, guys. Sorry about that. So let me pause this video. As you can see, I'm on the website already. what all you have to do is just click on this 3 lines over here. After that, after you have clicked on this 3 lines, you click on the withdrawal. So when it's finished loading up, as you can see that I have 812 coins already. I think yesterday I had 0 coins, so I've put in the hard work. All you need to come to this website and do is just click on some ads. But I want to show you the payment, the proof that they sent me the BitTorrent that I made the withdrawal. So I don't know what is wrong with this network. Let me pause this video. So guys, the page has finally loaded up. So let me click on the withdrawal history. You can see the withdrawal history over here. So let me click on the history. Can you see, guys, the one that I requested, the BitTorrent that has been completed 10 hours ago, yesterday. Hope you understand what I'm trying to say. And this is the one that the withdrawal. Can you see BitTorrent directly? So I've made the withdrawal of space token. I've made the withdrawal of BitTorrent and BitTorrent from this website. So this website is really paying, guys. So don't waste this opportunity, guys. So please, if you have not subscribed to this website, please subscribe to this website and leave me a like on this video, so that to get to more people that need to get free cryptocurrency. So thank you. God bless you.